Big up Crosses TV.
Graphics TV, just have your phone out, cause this one is gonna big.
Thanks to the most high.
Yes, I'm good. But that no means a big pussy fuck out, lick up at the destiny, man. Now got blood clot left, and I got
Right.
drag your nasty blood clot through the mud. You look a big blood clot, nasty blood clot. And the man, you look a creature, you nasty woman. And me, Jesus, send warrior Michael. A warrior Michael. Angel. The warrior angel on your Michael and me that, yeah, I come for buying up in the name of Jesus and return them to sender. Destiny, a bright like somebody. Bad, 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 bad,
I
bad.
tell
Crash,
you, man, I'm a
I
dance.
tell like Crash Stephen from certain things come out of my life just I get like girl. Life will just get better for me, yeah. Me not see no other way but other way than just going up. All thing is that we just did always want a nice relationship, Shannon, but me realize relationship for me just doesn't work. Like I'm so good being so
Me?
I'm like by myself. Me know about myself. Me can be so successful alone, but I'm in a relationship I can't be successful because
Yeah.
I'm so caught up. I try to make my relationship work and I make my partner happy that I may even lose myself most times. And nobody not supposed in a no relationship and I be with somebody and I try to make everything work and I lose myself and everything what you do it still never was enough. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
No, and it's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. A lot of things, girl. Let me tell you something. A lot of things I really want to come and talk about, but you have to understand there's a time and place to everything. You understand? And it's not because everybody come on the live and watch me, Shannon, and them come in and join means that they are for me and them support me. People support me, but it's not that means me learn, girl. Finna bring everything come on the internet because girl one time I passion and used to bring every single thing on the internet. People to judge me, talk my business, talk about me, cuss back to my business. No. No nobody can do that. Come in and talk it. As much as I would really love to talk about a lot of stuff. But I can't. There's even
Roku screen. Standard dynamic range content is on.
Alexa, go suck out your big pussy bomber ass cloud man no man, dirty woman.
I deep,
Sure.
man. But
Change
as
my
a
blood clot TV. Yo.
I said, Jav, relationship is not my type. So I can't give really. I give a outcome or a answer for that.
You mean relationship is not a tension and say you don't have a man now, right? You're
Oh
single.
me always single. All of my, all of my man them come from every country where I go. Every country where I visit my man them I love.
Bubble
Some Sometimes I go back there, sometimes I not go
clot.
back there.
Oh,
So
you hear that? You hear that?
me not
The
really.
woman say every country sugar man them they are wait.
Yeah, I always have a man in every country I go.
You know, so more live like you when me get big.
But for
I
true,
want to live like you when I get the case. Like I don't want like I don't wanna be with nobody but more wanna be with somebody to the fuck say. Like if you tell me I thought to come out to me, come on, so what ring I go. Next thing you have on the blood clot, you gonna next one have the girl.
when it comes to relationship, I'm sensitive. And my heart is too sensitive, my love. And
Exactly. That's why I'm
so,
always getting into argument because a lot of people is not as sensitive and emotional as me. I mean a Libra. I'm in a share. I don't listen, I'm not share. I don't share which least person me believe I'm supposed to share if no pitney is not involved, we're supposed to share the person. But the only person supposed to share that the mother. You can share them pitney with them mother because you know yeah, that's your mother and your mother come first. But I know everybody else the fuck, but I need for share. I don't like sharing. But come up in my life, I realize that I have to share everything on my have. And no, that is why I'm saying I'm turn a millionaire. So I'm turn a millionaire. I'm not everything I have to share. Because whosoever got there with me, I love them. I got love sweet so much that nobody else will think some talk to them. They're not interested. Cause
me,
them I go on a job because them love sweets.
that's something I really do with Batman, because I'm rather the street boy them I love. Because the bat me eat when my man there with the next batty, fuck the next batty, that hurt my soul.
Exactly. No, you see why. We tell someone I did say, yo, right about no. Let us gonna take one blood class, you know. If it kill me, kill me. And if it blood class, make me live it, make me live. Me just can't bother you, man. Because even though I kind of feel weird at times, because them not show emotions. Like, you know, straight boy, them not show emotions, right?
Mm-hmm.
Them not show emotions. Them not, some of them, but most of them not show emotions. And when they start feel when them start live with only you, they not even some of them want, I don't know, but some of them really don't do that. They want to stick with you, while some of them start to like it and want to learn new stuff with other people.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, that
Me,
happens, guys.
the reason why me, the reason why me say me rather there was a straight boy where fuck them woman and deal with them woman and have pick them the things them because me not have nothing to worry. Only thing at all she have over me are having kids.
That's
There's nothing else. She can cream, me can cream too. She can squirt, me can squirt too. Anything at all she can do,
yes!
me can do. Just cannot
Jesus
have it.
Christ, to hear them some
Yeah,
your man jump blood
yeah.
clot like my
But
there's the man.
there's no actual competition there because she not see me not see her. But the moment you're having a relationship with one batty boy and them go fuck somebody else, especially your friend, then something that
Why
hurts.
you feel like say me and Big Pussy Jada into some the argument? Me and Onion together and me and Jada used to always call me act like she my friend and me and I chat I share chat her man when I used to show her man put her out Shannon. The boy put her out from around which part she did there and she kept me share cry me and I used to chat and me and her talk about the relationship. Never know to look at dirty pussy fuck out, y'all have her eyes. But that, as I say, a long time, as I'm gonna tell somebody, say a long time, she has suck only with her one of them, or something, one
Jesus
of them,
Christ.
their body. Each of them and them on their body, but it's so crazy to me if you say a bitch, I cry
Mm-hmm.
my friend. And it was never my friend, and they behind my back and do things, yeah. Like, bitch, this your friend, your face, lick here. Yeah, come not like batty man like because me never did I not take your man or look your man or fuck your man or suck your man or try to fuck your man or try to want something with you. Whatever I do because una have considered as garbage. And this is what me hate. If me go and me get something for myself, I don't believe why people always want it. Like why don't want no own a vision and own a goals and all the ideas?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, what are they? What are they? What the fuck are they? What the fuck are they? Though? What the fuck are they? Though? Someone say you can't cream. That's not possible unless you push lotion in there. Hey. Someone, you don't know that. Me see body cream already, so you actually a lie. Someone, that's not true, baby. I'm seeing bitches, not bitches, niggas. They get fucked. Like them get fucked.
The summer
Like
say?
like Mrs. No, someone say you can't cream. That's not possible unless you push lotion. Hey, I'm trying to stop a laugh, Lord, you know.
Summer, me not look
But
for you.
but
Me
summer,
not look for you,
I have
summer.
seen people cream. But
Me can't cream and me can't squirt no blood clot. I'm a cat. I'm in a no. I'm in a no about the girl. Some I'm in a no about the girl, but me can't twitch no blood clot. Yeah. My pussy can
Yo,
twitch. So me not look for
someone
you.
say, someone say, well, that shit. I like you tell shit did white. Shit did white and creamy. Let me know
She
now. No blood.
delusionally.
To
She
delusional
delusionally.
bad. So
But feel
someone let me
sorry for
know no
her.
someone let me know if shit the blood clot white I have a cream
But
look.
I tell you, like, somebody feel sorry for you.
But
Somebody
face
call the ambulance.
me say even shy. Me say I yesterday, you know. Hold on there. Let me see if we can talk about it. Let me check something first. Yeah, fuck it. We can talk about it. Shy, I'm a friend. Shy, big man, my friend. Yesterday,
Then I'm gonna
Shannon.
get that kill me.
Yesterday, Shannon. This
Mm-hmm.
is why I tell you, no, sir, Batman really mad in a Jew mad summer. This is why I tell you, say, when you're a lesbian, but that's why I know some lesbian relationship turbo than Batman relationship. Because watch her now. Shy, put the friend man So I got my man say Shawty did have her girlfriend and her there with woman and them make something else. I said Shawty was with boyfriend. That man start. The girl what she kind she there with. No. Girl she there with she girl I go up on Destiny Live and I was trying to bring down Shana. Says for funny things. Said I'm I said to her, I said, why again? I say, we don't know this bitch, all in all shy. Two, she got up her live with Destiny and I trying to get attention. Three, why you believe say supposed to bring down blood clot somebody where you think you can bring down and the about I don't want to get into it. But me that like for class shy girl. You know why I want this up our dirty blood clot? Yeah, tell everybody say me want cuss the woman, but shy they with their chatter for out the destiny for the life. And if shy and she still blood clot, the shy nasty and shy supposed to watch her back and this is a house enemy. Yeah. The girl
Yeah,
want house
yeah.
blood clot enemy. And she want dirty pussy girl, them kind of girl walk and suck every girl pussy, my love and taste every girl panty juice. Yeah.
I'm a yeah about my daughter, man.
Yeah. Every blood clot body. Bitches like them, the sodomite girl like them, they walk and eat every girl pussy. My straight Destiny have a pussy too. She that suck Destiny pussy. Yeah.
You there.
Dirty woman. You come like you walk on class, blood clot, shy. No girl no know you. Every girl know blood clot. She run go up on the big blood clot, goat mode face. You like if there's somebody for that big pussy Destiny. No girl over yesterday for that fuck out Destiny. Come on and ask you. If me was Latina, I'm a day in the blood clot. See a place where your blood clot there. I ramp up woman, shake your blood clot world in another country and beat up your blood clot. You idiot. You could have never played my Destiny. I ask you. You're one girl when me that go look for and beat the fuck up. Like how me go look for Emily when me go Jamaica and she beg Cree.
You're there. You're
Yeah.
there.
When time like Emily that have one big argument, I'm there Jamaica, I'm go Jamaica look for Emily. I'm really there go beat out Emily blood clot.
So you buy a ticket for go Jamaica for beat a girl?
Yeah, me did go to
Oh,
Jamaica. I mean I look
you
for her,
go
she never did
Jamaica
ask.
normally?
No, the time when I have the argument, my the flight was longer. I'm going to extend my flight or shorten my flight for go quicker earlier. Come on, to see
Jesus.
her. I want to see her, she never did give her the chance to see her in Jamaica. I was like, why not too? That was like way before she come up. But she used to make the money for KFC. Yep. The time I never did too like Tiki and 60. Oh, why am I? Why would I lie? Music Marty, them the live, them can't tell her. I'm not lying about that. I mean, can't tell her to her face. She remember to. Why me go tell lie on that in front of everybody? I'm sure everybody remember why me not lie about that. You too lie. Lie like your breast, them, your blood clot, nail polish for your finger. Yeah. That come tell me something blood clot. Like, you come on my job. Like, you ever see that code I'm about to lie yet? First of all, why me not tell them? What are going to get me for lie up your son? Tikiana, tell me. Eh? Talk blood clot much. So steer. So on the steer. That is why every time when we wake up in the morning, if you get up out of the blood clot bed, when you can't get up, because depression not stop beating up bad. A
Jesus
box you.
Christ.
Yeah. You get up and thank God from morning for you keep it and drink a cup of tea, you come over, you come right me two lie. Eh? You ask God for sanctify and bless your body, you come over, you come tell me some blood clot lie. Eh? I'm not ready to eat no breakfast yet like myself there, you know.
Ma, me not to eat, man. Me not to eat nothing. My love, I'm still born the week.
Me
Get
that
up,
tell
walk.
them boy order some food from a Jamaica restaurant right now.
Me know which one could I order that thing, my love. You saw me a walk.
So,
I might kneel.
so to walk like you drop like you're a dead girl.
My nails, me I gotta take off, my love, and do them over. I want hot girl, me ear about. Don't get some, my love, and me I walking at the rain shit. So the
Morning, sexy glamorous baby. I'm sorry, I was so distracted by my hungry, so you know my brain I move slow. Yes, job is a joke. Girl, you don't play me a blood clot fluid. You have a problem, Tiki. You can't take Robbins. You can't, you want blood clot over, you come play with fire and you can't take burn. So, job, you're mad. Nikki go 07. Hi, Queen Elise. Nah, come for me, job. Is a drop me and make out. Me never dare come for you. Blood clot. This is game. I want to 16. Yeah, the next blood clot one in a Robbins. Yeah, but yeah, robot one of them dirty blood clot. We can't take bird on. Listen, Steven or Steve. I call Oniel blood clot X name. See? Up here. But that's for them come say me a Steven there, me a fuck Steve.
You're there.
You there. Hey! But Jesus, I'm tired. Somebody say, really? Really?
Hmm?
Alright, Steve. You have to rub it up. So when you have to rub, there's two topics I want to get into. One, the woman with Shay, we go on Destiny Life. I want to more get into that. Two, why Jam Bless?
You know, I don't know
Somebody
the
say, hey, my ball out, Bumba Clot. You know, them are gonna fire you, one of them there, yeah? Jam, I love your song, it have a buzz. Thank you, Tatiana Mackenzie, 35. Oh my God. Like, that's the next. Thank you, I
where the
really do
city?
appreciate it. Guys, support for support,
Where the
please.
city? I don't know the family.
Hey, may I come back live? Guys, when Kiki wake up, now come back live. Now order some breakfast. Because live I'll keep there. Today's Friday. Today's the day when time I really get shit done. But I'm really telling you, say, I never get Destiny the whole week. Today the day when I actually end our career. For real, 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 real.
Nobody end my daughter career.
Yeah.
Nobody end my daughter
Today when I
career.
actually end Destiny career. I know I have to ask Jesus to give me the power
You're
and
there.
strength. So we have to go aid, or we have to go enhance the weapon, enhance the things that we have to do because you know we have to
So,
get rid
so
of.
job, you have new music?
Yeah, me have whole heap of new music that come out.
Inbox me all of them. Want
We
come
can't
here the first.
inbox you the all of them when them come and tell them and come on the
Oh,
album.
but think of music will come out already.
No, my music are out already.
Send
Also,
me the link. Send me the
you
link.
can
I'm
send
gonna
me a
buy
link,
her.
baby. We download it after them. Oh, thank you, Tatiana. Hey, everyone I know for you, so download my music in the blood clot. That means that me and my supposed to boom my name all this morning. My royalty supposed to look good for next Monday.
Send me a link. I'm gonna download
Why
it.
don't you and Destiny get for life together? Class be creative, boy. And that you wait for Steven for in order to get shit like that. You have to pay for shit like that. You understand? And we all know say Destiny not gonna win me. So all you bad. You bad to Steve. In a real blood clot life now. As much as is a dirty blood clot, dirty blood clot, nasty roach blood clot, roach down a town, sell fuck, blood clot, skin out pussy bucket girl, sell okra pussy girl. You feel like say like a real ghetto blood clot girl. You feel like say Destiny could have argue with blood clot me and win blood clot me. I'm a strip blood clot me could have bring down the village and the crowd and the Batty community and the Batty fraternity. Steve, let you come out of the blood clot comments and go and go do your work, yeah?
Job come up.
Right.
Job come up for later. Go and get some breakfast. Job come up.
Destiny could have never blood clot with Bumba pussy blood clot me. Guess what the big pussy girl do yesterday? Two she know say she blood clot lose before she when she run go blood clot and catch beauty blink. For me, beauty blink come go and say beauty you can come cuss nobody because beauty blink cuss the man and rape her daughter. Yeah. So
You're there.
them mother. I said the girl bring funeral job me a ball out there the people that I said the girl bring funeral. She forgot bury her family and bury her whole and her generation and bury herself. Before she
Mm-mm.
blood clot bury nobody else, she the dead need to go bury herself and two me in her blood clot self, yeah. Because she tormented that she auntie that she swear to God she's a human being, she's a ghost, she's a dopey, she walk and torment everybody that's living. She the only dead girl on Instagram who walk and torment every alive girl. You have a talented bad because you song make why not my body as a sexy girl. You have not start yet. It's early. But no, it's early because people still in bed asleep and that stuff. You have me a cry. The inner go and cry. Ask Jesus to make you smile.
Job me again on taxi. So
Alright,
you
Shannon.
talk.
Later, baby, yeah?
All right,
Come back
baby.
live later.
Yeah.
Alright, baby. Yeah. Just a little reminder. Okay, I like the word. Oh, I need me a Spanish nigga in my life. I don't want a black nigga get into it. I'm too black already. Like me, look how me black. Look at me. You saw me black? Me want a Spanish man in my life. Man, I want like a same black man with black like me. So my body look. That picture I did take when I did like younger, like couple months ago. You see it? You saw me black? Can't do the next black man. If I did somebody with lighter than me. Cause it's sexy. Nah, understand more sexy. Cause me black and I have whole heap of wood. I have whole heap of melanin and whole
A
heap of wood.
dynamic
Me have
range
whole heap of
content zone.
man. Like whole heap of man in me. So he's like an aggressive man. Yeah, shit. That like I color skin girl if you get it tweeted. Me I color skin girl to blood clot. Fat pussy girl